Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Tom. How old are you? I am 27-year-old. Where are you from? I am from Italy. Do you work? Yes, I am a teacher. Are you a student? Yes, I study English. Where do you live? I live in Rome. Do you have a family? Yes, I have a wife and brother. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. What do you like to eat? I like pizza and pasta. Do you cook? Yes, I cook sometime. What time did you get up? I got up at 6:30 a.m. What time did you go to work? I went to work at 7 a.m. What time did you start work? I start work at 8 a.m. What time did you have a lunch? I had lunch at 12:30.